Good morning. Let us move to the next article. Before this, we talked about the analytic function, and we also worked out problems on analytic function. We have talked about various types of functions. The next function is harmonic function. Let us talk about harmonic function. We shall first have general idea about harmonic function, and after that we shall work out a few problems on harmonic function. Any function which obeys Laplace's equation is known as a harmonic function. Any function which obeys Laplace's equation, that function is known as a harmonic function. You have studied Laplace's equation. Laplacian operator is Laplace square or del square. If del square u is equal to 0, this u will be harmonic function. If del square v is equal to 0, this v will also be the harmonic function. This is the Laplace's equation in 3 dimensions. When we are working in only 2 dimensions, I may put the Laplace's equation as dou 2u, or simply let me put this as dou 2 by dou x square plus dou 2 by dou y square. If you have a function u, and if dou 2u by dou x square plus dou 2u by dou s square is equal to 0, u will be the harmonic function. Similarly, if you have dou 2v by dou x square plus dou 2v by dou y square is equal to 0, then this v is also harmonic function. So what is the definition of harmonic function? Any function which obeys Laplace's equation is known as harmonic function. Let us use one small theorem for this harmonic function. According to this theorem, if we have a function f of z, what is z? Z is a complex variable. So if we have a function of complex variable f of z given as f of z is equal to u plus iv, where u is function of x and y. This v is also function of x and y. Let us consider a function f of z is equal to u plus iv. U is function of x and y, v is function of x and y. According to analyticity of the functions of complex variables, we can have these CR conditions, CR equations. What will be CR conditions, CR equations for this function? The CR equations or CR conditions for this function will be dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y, equation number 1, and dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x, equation number 2. These two equations are the CR conditions. These two equations are the CR conditions for this complex function. And these CR conditions are also for this complex function to be analytic. These CR conditions are for this complex function. When this complex function is analytic complex function, then these CR conditions must vary for this complex function. Let us differentiate equation 1 with respect to x to get dou u by dou x square is equal to dou v divided by dou x dou y, equation number 3. Then let us differentiate equation 2 with respect to y to get dou u by dou y square is equal to minus dou v by dou x dou y, equation number 4. Now let us add equations 3 and 4. If we add equations 3 and 4, add LHS, LHS, RHS, RHS. And so we will get here dou u by dou x square plus dou u by dou y square is equal to dou v by dou x dou y minus dou v by dou x dou y. This term and this term, these two are identical and opposite terms, so these two together vanish, and we may write this equation as dou u by dou x square plus dou u by dou y square is equal to 0, equation number 5. Opposite of this can be done with this equation and this equation. This equation can be differentiated with respect to y 2 times. This equation may be differentiated with respect to x 2 times. The same procedure will be adopted, and for that you will get dou v by dou x square. Let me first get dou y square here minus dou v by dou x square is equal to 0. If minus sign is taken common, the same thing can be written as dou v by dou x square minus dou v Equation 5 obeys Laplace's equation. I mean, equation 5 is Laplace's equation. Equation 6 is also Laplace's equation. Equation 5 is Laplace's equation. Equation 6 is Laplace's equation. It means that Laplace's equation is obeyed by the function u of xy. Laplace's function is also obeyed by the function v of xy. As both u and v obey the Laplace's equation, both u and v are harmonic functions. Both u and v are harmonic functions. U plus iv is it is complex function, and as u and v both obey Laplace's equation, as u and v both are harmonic functions, we can take u and v as harmonic conjugate. U and v can also be considered as conjugate harmonic functions. So here u and v are harmonic functions. U and v are harmonic functions. Also u and v are conjugate harmonic functions. As u plus iv obeys CR conditions given by equations 1 and 2, u plus iv is the analytic function. So whenever we have an analytic function, we may go for harmonic functions. We can also go for conjugate harmonic functions. This is about harmonic functions. It is very simple. Let us try to work out one or two problems on the harmonic functions. Let me clean the board first. The first problem is find harmonic conjugate of see what is the problem. Find harmonic conjugate function. Harmonic conjugate function. Find harmonic conjugate function of u of xy is equal to 2x into 1 minus r. Let us see how to get it. Let us make an assumption that V is harmonic conjugate function of u of xy. So let me consider V is equal to u of xy. That is, V is equal to 2x minus 1y. Sorry, 2x into 1 minus 1. Differentiation of V is given as V is function of x and y. As u is function of x and y, V should be function of x and y. As u is function of x and y, V should be function of x and y. So total differentiation of this composite function V. Why composite function? Because V is function of x and y. Will be dV is equal to dV by dx into dx plus dV by y into dy equation number. Then we have u of xy is equal to 2x into 1 minus I, that is 2x minus 2x. Let us first differentiate equation 2 with respect to x, and we will get that as dou u by dou x, that will be equal to 2 minus 2y equation 3. Differentiating equation 2 with respect to x, we got dou u by dou x is equal to 2 minus 2y. Differentiation of x with respect to x, 1 differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, and so it is simply 2 minus 2y. Then differentiate 2 with respect to y to get dou v by dou y is equal to, differentiation of this will be 0 minus 2x, that is minus 2x equation number 4. Minus 2x equation number 4. Then we know the CR conditions. What are CR conditions? Dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y. One CR condition. Other CR condition is dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. Okay. So here I have dou v by dou x. For dou v by dou x, what I use? Minus dou u by dou y. Where is dou u by dou y? It is u. Dou u by dou y is here. Dou v by dou x is minus, transport this minus and this to this side. So minus this side to this side. Dou v by dou x will be equal to minus dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y is minus 2x. Minus dou u by dou y will be 2x. So let me write this dv as 2x dx plus dou u by dou y taken, dou u by dou x, it should be dou v by dou y. Dou v by dou y is here. So value of this dou v by dou x, 2 minus 2y, is to be substituted for dv by dy here, and that will be what? 2 minus 2y dy. V is equal to integration of 2x dx plus integration of 2 minus 2y dy. This is equal to 2 into x square divided by 2 plus 2y minus 2y square divided by 2 plus c, constant of integration. These two get cancelled, these two get cancelled, and we are left with v is equal to x square plus 2y minus y square plus c, equation number 5. So v is equal to x square plus 2y minus y square plus c is the harmonic conjugate function of 2x into 1 minus y. 2x minus 2x. V is harmonic conjugate function. What is V? V is x square plus 2y minus y square plus c. This is harmonic conjugate function of u. That is what? 2x minus 2xy. If this is a given function, then its harmonic conjugate function is this. We successfully found here the harmonic conjugate function of this given function. It's so simple. Hope you got it. Let us go for one more problem. And the problem is prove that u is equal to x square minus y square and v is equal to y divided by x square plus y square are harmonic functions of x1, but are not harmonic conjugates. See what is the problem. Prove that u is equal to x square minus y square and v is equal to y divided by x square plus y square are harmonic functions of xy but are not harmonic conjugates. How to prove this? Let us see how to do this. It may be a somewhat complicated problem. We need to work out more for this. We shall try to work out more. Let us first go for u. U is x square minus y square, equation number 1. Then dou u y dou x will be equal to 2x, equation number 2. Dou u by dou y will be equal to minus 2y, equation number 3. Then dou 2u by dou x square is equal to 2, equation number 4. Then dou 2u by dou y square minus 2, equation 1. This is first function. U is equal to x square minus y square. First get dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y. After get dou 2u by dou x square, dou 2u by dou y square. And then construct Laplace's equation using equations 4 and 5. That is dou 2u by dou x square plus dou 2u by dou y square, that is equal to 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0, equation number 6. And from equation 6, which is Laplace equation. Laplace equation dou 2u by dou x square plus dou 2u by dou y square is equal to 0. Del square u is equal to 0 in 3 dimensions and in 2 dimensions. Dou 2u by dou x square plus dou 2u by dou y square is equal to 0. This is satisfied by equation 6. Laplace's equation is satisfied by function u, and therefore u is harmonic function. What is definition of harmonic function? Any function which satisfies Laplace's equation is known as harmonic function. As this equation, as function u satisfies Laplace's equation, u is harmonic function. Okay, then let us go for the second function. What is second function? V is equal to y divided by x square plus y square, equation 7. Then let us go for dou v by dou x, that is x square plus y square into 0 minus y into 2x, this whole divided by x square plus y square whole square. Here we have used the formula of differentiation of quotient u by v. 0 into this will be 0, and this is simply, so let me put it here, dou v by dou x is minus 2xy divided by x square plus y square bracket square equation number 8. Okay, then let us go for dou v by dou y. Dou v by dou y, that is x square plus y square into differentiation of y with respect to y is 1 minus y into differentiation of x square plus y square is simply 2y whole divided by x square plus y square bracket square. This is x square plus y square. This is minus 2y square. This is x square plus y square minus 2y square divided by x square plus y square bracket square. X square will left as it is. Y square minus 2y square is minus y square, and so dou v by dou y will be x square minus y square in one bracket divided by x square plus y square bracket square. Equation number 9. After that, let us go for dou 2v by dou y square. We need this equation. What is this? Dou u by dou y. This is equal to minus 2y. Equation number 3. Now let us go for dou 2v by dou x square. Dou 2v by dou x square is equal to x square plus y square bracket square into differentiation of this minus 2xy, that will be minus 2y minus 2xy into differentiation of this, that is 2 into x square plus y square into 2x whole divided by x square plus y square to the power 4. And this is further minus 2x square y minus 2 first it will be x square plus y square, x square plus y x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus 2 x square y square. Multiply this by minus 2 minus 2y x to the power 4 minus 2y to the power 5 minus 4 x square y cube minus plus. Okay, and this is what 2x into 2 4x into 2 8 x square y 8 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus plus 8 x square y into x square is x 8 to the 8x to the power 4 y. 8x square y, x square into x square, x to the power 4. So it will be 8x to the power 4 y plus 8x square y to the power 3. 8x square y, 8x square y square into y, that is y to the power 3. This will be divided by x square plus y square to the power 4. And let us see how to solve this. X to the power 4y, x to the power 4y. So I can take these two together. 8 minus 2, 6. It will be 6 x to the power 4y. This term and this term are taken. Then x square y cube, 8 minus 4. So this will be plus 4 x square y cube. So this term is taken, this term is taken. What left is simply this minus 2y to the power 5 divided by x square plus y square bracket to the power 4. So this is what dou 2b by dou x square. Dou 2b by dou x square, equation number 8. Then we have to go for dou 2b by dou y square. Dou 2b by dou y square. It is here. So x square plus y square bracket square into differentiation of this with respect to y, that will be minus 2y minus x square minus y square into differentiation of this 2x square plus y square into 2y. This will be divided by x square plus y square bracket to the power 4. This is equal. This is what x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus 2 x square y square. Multiply this by minus 2y. It will be minus x to the power 4 minus 2 x to the power 4y minus 2 y to the power 5 minus 4 x square y to the power 3. Then this 2 into 4y 4y into minus x square minus 4x square y, that will be minus 4 x to the power 4y. 2 to the 4y into minus x square minus 4x square y into x square is minus 4x to the power 4 into y, and then for this minus plus 2 to the 4y cube into y square 4 5 divided by x square plus y square to the power 4. X to the power 4y, x to the power 4y minus that will be minus 6 x to the power 4 into y. So these two considered. Then let us go for these two. 4 minus 2, it will be plus 2 y to the power 5. This term taken. What left in this view? Simply this minus 4 x square y cube divided by x square plus y square bracket to the power 4. It is go to b by go y square. Equation number 11. Add these two equations. Dou 2b by dou x square plus dou 2b by dou y square. Let us get Laplace equation for this. And that is what? Dou 2b by dou x square plus dou 2b by dou y square is equal to, denominator is same, just write the terms in the numerator. 6 x to the power 4 y minus 2 y to the power 5 plus 4 x square y cube minus 6 x to the power 4 y plus 2 y to the power 5 minus 4 x square y cube, this whole divided by x square plus y square to the power 4. 6x to the power 4y minus 6x to the power 4y. These two together will become 0. Minus 2y to the power 5 plus 2y to the power 5. These two together will become 0. Plus 4x square y cube minus 4x square y cube. These two together will become 0. And you simply got 0 divided by anything is 0. So dou 2b divided by dou x square plus dou 2b divided by y square is 0. Equation number 12. And according to equation 12, the function v satisfies Laplace's equation. Dou 2b by dou x square plus dou 2b by dou y square is equal to 0. We got this by working out all these things. And therefore, v is also harmonic function. U is harmonic function. We proved. Here we proved v is also harmonic function. So here we have proved that u and v both are harmonic functions, but are not harmonic conjugates. They are harmonic functions. Whether they are harmonic conjugates, for harmonic conjugates, what needed? Do u, y, do x must be equal to do v, y, do y, and do u, y, do y must be equal to minus do v by do x. Do u by do x, equation number 2. Do v by do y, equation number 9. Equation 2 is 2x Equation 9 is x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square bracket square. It means that dou u by dou x is not equal to dou v by dou y. Similarly, dou u by dou y is minus 2y. Dou v by dou x is, it is here, minus 2xy divided by x square plus y square bracket square. Here also this is not true, as equation 13 and equation 14. Because of equation 13 and 14. What is 13? Dou u by dou x is not equal to dou v by dou y. What is 14? Dou u by dou y is not equal to minus dou v by dou x. Because of equations 13 and 14, it is proved that although u and v are harmonic functions, but they are not harmonic conjugates. So both the things are proved here. This is about the harmonic functions and problems on it. I hope you got it. Thank you.